Nice to have you back. So last week we were doing multiplication of by 1-digit number, by 2-digit number, and by 3-digit number. And most of you did your homework, did your work, and you submitted online. Very good. But there are still some of you who are not doing it. Later on, we will be taking your books for correction, and at that time, make sure you have completed. So today, we are going to learn how to do problems on multiplication. Now, let's do some mental sums. Ready? If one packet of sweets costs 10 rupees, how much will 2 packets cost? What do? You multiply. How much? 20. Very good. Let's try something else now. Someone has 2 packets of naphthalene balls, and in those 2 packets there are 10 naphthalene balls. So how many naphthalene balls will be there in 10 packets? So take the numbers. 2 packets, in 1 packet how many? 10. So in 2 packets how many? 10 twos are 20 naphthalene balls. So in problems we have to write statements. Okay? We have to write this and give the number. Then give the number. And at the end you must write the answer in a sentence. Later on, see the example. Later on, whatever self-assessment test also has been given, look at the questions. Do that in your exercise book with the statements. Some of you are just writing the answer. You must write the statements, not in the self-assessment test. There you only have to write the answer, the number. But before you write it there, do it in your exercise book with the statements. So let's get ready now. If 1 packet of choco bars costs rupees 27. So this is the first part of the statement. The second part. We have to find the cost of how many packets? 46 packets. So, cost, let's put the bigger number on top. Number 1 statement. Cost of 1 packet equals cost of 1 packet of choco bars. How much? Rupees 127. Now we have to find how many packets are there? 46. So we can write number of packets. How much? 46. Now these are multiplication sums, so we must multiply. Multiply by 46. Remember to write the number correctly, one below the other. Not like this, like some of you do. 127 multiplied by 46. It looks so funny. So do it the correct way. I'll rub this out. And then you draw a line. Let's go back again. So what were we to find? If 1 packet of choco bars costs rupees 127, we have to find the cost of 46 packets. Now these are the statements you must write. All the sums must be done like this, with the statements. Okay? So, the first part. Cost of 1 packet costs 127. So simple. Now, how many packets are there? 46 packets. So number of packets. How much? 46. And we multiply just as we have been multiplying it with 4. So 6 sevens are 42. 6 twos are 12 plus 4, 16. 1, 6. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. So let's cross out these, which we have already added. We've already added the carried numbers. So the next number now. Remember, the value of 4 is 4 tens. 4 10. When we expand this 40 plus 6, we have finished multiplying with 6. Now we multiply with the tens. The value of 4 here is 40. So we have a habit of just putting a cross, but we don't know from where the 0 came or a cross came. So from there we put a 0 or a cross. 4 sevens are 28. 4 twos are 8 plus 2 10. 1 0. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5. And to get the overall answer, or to get the amount of how much 46 packets cost, we have to add plus. 2 plus 0, 2. 6 plus 8, 14. 1, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. And bring down 5. So because we are finding the amount, so it's been rupees. So the answer is 127 packets of the one packet costs 127 rupees. So the cost of 46 packets will be 5,842 rupees. So you must write this in a sentence. So I told you last week, therefore. These three tikas are known as therefore. Instead of writing THEREFORE, we have a short form. 3 tikas. Okay, 3 dots. So therefore, 46 packets cost rupees 5,842. Okay? So remember to write the statements. In the problems, when we do problems, statements must be written. Let's try and do another one. I'm going to rub it out. Remember to learn your tables. You have been told from the first day of school, you were made to write your tables, but still there are some of you who still don't know. So let's try another one. If there are 4,052 marbles in a jar, means someone had collected marbles and had kept it in a jar. So he had, let's see how many jars here. He had 349 jars. So we have to find out how many marbles are there in 349 jars. Okay, so we have written the question. Let me read the question once more. If there are 4,052 marbles in one jar, in a jar, we have to find out how many marbles are there in 349 jars. Now let's try and write the statements. So how many marbles? Number of marbles in one jar? 4,052. Okay. Number of marbles in one jar. How many? 4,052. Now, how many jars are there? 349. So let's write the statement. How many jars? So we can put that in number. Number of jars. Remember to write the number below, okay? Straight down. do not write a crooked here and there. So let's use two different types of chalk. We put a multiplying sign and 3, 4, 9. So we have written the statements, we have written the numbers. Now let's try and do the multiplication. Let me put different colored chalks. Okay, are we ready? So remember, we have to find the answer of by 9 in the first line. Whatever answer is written there is the answer when you multiply this number by 9. Just think it as it's a single digit number. So 9 2s are 18. 9 5s are 45 plus 1, 46. Okay, many of you make a mistake here. Now the given number that was there was 0. Now some of us, what we do is we multiply with the carried number. Please do not multiply that. We have to multiply with the number that is given there in that question. Okay, we have to add the carried number. 9 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4. 9 fours are 36. Okay, we'll scratch out these ones. We are finished. Now this answer is got by multiplying by 9. So in the last class I had told you that this is ones, tens, hundreds. And when we expanded, we got 300 plus 40 plus 9. Because some of you may think from where that 0 came. You may not know. So when we expand this, or the value of 9 is in the ones, value of 4 is in the tens, value of 3 is in the hundreds. So when we multiply, actually saying we must multiply with 40, we must multiply with 300, but we are not going to do that. Instead, for easy and simple multiplication, this 0, we'll put it here. Okay, now we have to multiply with only 4. Good. So again we do it. 4 2s are 8. Because we are multiplying with the tens number, we must put it under tens. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 2, 0. 4 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. 4 4s are 16. Now we must write both the numbers because no number is here. So we must write both the numbers. 4 4s are 16. Now we've got the second answer when we multiply by 4. Now we have to find the third answer. So let's put 2 zeros or 2 crosses. Because we are multiplying with the hundreds place value. So when we put 2 zeros or 2 crosses, we only have to multiply with 3. So let's start. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 3 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1, and 3 4s are 12. So to get the overall answer, what must we do? We must add all these numbers. The first answer, the second answer, and the third answer. And then we will get the overall answer here. So let's add. 8 plus 0 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 6 plus 0, 6. Plus 4, 10. Plus 1, 11. 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 5, 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 3, 4. And 1. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the overall answer that we got means how many marbles are in those 349 jars? They are 14 lakh 14,148 marbles. Now we have one more step. we have to write the answer in a sentence. So therefore, there are 14,14,148 marbles in 349 trunks. When you do it in your exercise book, dear children, please write the statements. Don't use a calculator. Most of you are using a calculator and writing the answer, multiplying there and only writing the answer. These working out has to be done in your exercise book. Is that clear? So you will get a self-assessment test. Do the working out in your exercise book. Write these statements. And when you write the answer in the self-assessment test, only write this answer. Do not put the commas. Is that clear? So I hope you have understood. One more class I'll take next week for better understanding. Now keep learning your tables, stay safe and stay at home and don't trouble your parents. Okay? Bye.